Hi and welcome back. Today we are diving into two very powerful practices that often get confused: meditation and manifestation. Although these two very powerful tools can help you to achieve your goals and live more intentional life, but they work in different ways and they serve different purposes. Let's together explore how you can use these two powerful practices to achieve your goals and live more intentional life. Meditation is a practice of thousands of years that its benefits are well documented by science. But what is exactly meditation and how it works? Meditation is a practice to focus your mind on a subject, thought, or activity to train awareness and attention. Meditation is a tool to cultivate sense of calm, clarity, and emotional stability. Scientifically, meditation has been shown to reduce stress, enhance your overall well-being, and concentration. Meditation can even help you to alter your brain structure, enhance your learning capacity, your memory, and regulate your emotions. As Deepak Chopra says, meditation is not to make your mind quiet, but it's a way to entering that quiet that already exists there and is buried under 50,000 average thoughts that a normal person thinks every day. To meditate, find a quiet place, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath. Let the thoughts come and go without judging them. Meditation is not about stop thinking. Meditation is about observing your thoughts while they come and go without judging them, while you're connecting yourself to a present moment. The purpose of meditation is to declutter your mind from everyday's challenges, thoughts, and noises. Meditation can help you to find that center of calmness within you, and can help you to face the challenges of every day with more clarity and composure. While meditation helps you to center that calm and be connected to present, manifestation is all about the future, the future that you desire to create for yourself, and the future that you really desire to live. Manifesting is a practice of bringing something that we really desire to our life through focused intention and belief. It's based on the idea that our thoughts shape our reality. Simply put, you are what you think. By manifesting, by visualizing what you desire, you most likely connect your action and energy to your goal in a way that you make it much more achievable. To manifest, start by clearly define what you really desire. Then visualize it in detail and associate your feeling of achieving it. To manifest, start by clearly visualize what you really desire. Visualize it in details as it's already happened. Feel the emotion associated with achieving your goal. Then take action that is aligned with your visions. It's not only about wishing, it's about believing, feeling, and taking action. Manifesting without action It's just like wishing to win a lottery without buying a ticket. So while manifestation and meditation are two different practices, but they beautifully complement each other. By meditating and focusing on present, you declutter your mind and prepare the ground for manifesting and focusing on your future goals. These two practices are powerfully in synergy together and lead to personal growth and success. Manifestation and meditation are two different techniques, but they complement each other profoundly and beautifully. Meditate to declutter and clear your mind and connect to present, and manifest to shape, imagine, and visualize your future. These two techniques, they are in a profound and powerful synergy together, and they can lead to powerful personal growth and success. As Buddha says, what you think you become, what you feel you attract, and what you imagine you create. Meditate to quiet your mind and declutter your mind, and to create this ground for manifestation, and manifest to shape your future, and to focus to take a concrete step toward your success. Think about meditation as a foundation upon which you create your future, and manifestation as a blueprint that lead you to take concrete steps toward your future. Start your day with meditating 10 to 15 minutes to clear your mind and declutter your mind and prepare yourself for your day. Then start to visualize your goals, manifest them, and write down few concrete steps that you can take in that day. It's not about time that you spend on your steps, it's about the energy that you spend on achieving your goals. Continue with meditation at night. Few minutes of meditation will calm your mind from all the clutter that you accumulated during the day. Then continue with visualizing your goal as if you achieved it. By understanding the difference between these two techniques and yet using them together, you can create a powerful daily routine and a concrete steps toward your goal and achieving the future that you desire. If you need to know more about these two techniques, you can check my book, Manifesting Joy. Thank you for being here. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, you can write it down in the box below. And until next time, goodbye.